Hello guys, this is your girl, Health and Lifestyle, and if you're stumbling on my video for the first time, please do well. Please, I beg you, do well to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like, comment on my videos. I share a lot of lifestyle content, healthy lifestyle contents that will change and transform your normal daily routine. If you're someone who is fighting with PCOS, hormonal imbalance, and fighting to lose weight, then this channel is definitely for you. You'll get all the motivation you need in the whole wide world. I share a lot of healthy recipes that has helped me to completely reverse PCOS and also help me to lose more than 25 kg in a period of time. I cannot say it's been just like 6 months, but I've been on this journey for over a year, and I can tell you that consistency is the key. And if you're someone who wants to lose weight and you have fought or you are currently having hormonal imbalances, which is the most difficult aspect of losing weight, then you are in the right channel. Please do well to share this video to as many people as possible. If you're fighting with fibroids, fighting with endometriosis, fighting with, all those things with women and stuff like that, then this channel is definitely for you. You'll get all the information that you need in order to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle. So today, the purpose of this video is quite amazing. I'll be trying the dragon fruit for the first time in my life. Dragon fruit. Can you see how succulent this looks? It looks so amazing. And this dragon fruit, we'll be trying it together. So let's get right into this video. Please, if you have watched this video to this point, hit the subscribe button, like and comment below. Have you been trying, or have you tried this dragon fruit before? Or maybe this is your favorite fruit. Where can we easily get it, and what are the health benefits you think of this? So I'll be reading the comment section. So let's get right into the video. So Taran, look at how beautiful this looks. It's kind of very gigantic, and the most amazing thing is this fruit is very, very expensive. And is it worth the money? Let's dive right in. Oh, can you see that redness? I'm not sure this camera is doing justice to this dragon fruit. That is the most juiciest fruit I have seen so far. So now, the real reveal. Let's get a taste. Oh my god, this is so juicy. This looks so good. Can you take a bite of that? Oh my goodness, this is good. I've never ever tasted dragon fruits before. This is actually my first time. It's definitely worth the hype and the expensiveness. This is really amazing. This was really juicy. It's actually not sweet. It's just normal. It just has a normal taste. It's not sour. It's not too sweet. It's just normal. Now I understand why they say dragon fruit helps to regulate insulin levels, because I thought it was really sweet that could actually spike blood sugar levels, but it actually has a very low glycemic index, and now I understand why it has that low glycemic index, so I get it because it's not sweet, and the water content in this is so huge. I mean, very huge. And I'm sure I'm gonna sleep tonight very good because this seed right here is packed with magnesium. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this point, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. I've actually exhausted that. I can't eat all of this at once, so I'm preserving this for tomorrow's breakfast. Look at that. This is actually very good, and I would definitely give this an 8/10. An 8 because there's so much hype about dragon fruits that I thought it was the taste would be so special. But now I've come to understand the health benefits of these fruits and how difficult it is to actually produce these fruits is what makes it very expensive. And I am living in Sweden, and these fruits do well in very hot weather. And here we are, Sweden is cold throughout the year, just the 3 months out of it that we can be proud of sunlight. So now I understand why this fruit is very expensive. Can you imagine 2 of these costed me over 200 crowns? That's over $23 or approximately $25 for 2 of these dragon fruits. That's really expensive. But if you have tasted dragon fruits before and you think you have another perception about this dragon fruits, please comment down below. I only tested the red one, so I don't know how the white one tastes like, and I cannot say, but I will definitely do a review. If you guys really actually want me to do a review of the white dragon fruits, then I will do it and post this video. So thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and then comment down below if you are in for this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all.